This is the complete guide to GitHub Copilot, the AI coding assistant built into VS Code, JetBrains, Neovim, and GitHub.com, used by over 1 million developers and 50,000 organizations worldwide. Copilot started as an inline code completion tool. It is now a full AI development platform: completion, chat, multi-file edits, autonomous agents, CLI, and PR reviews. By the end of this video you will know every Copilot feature, how Agent Mode works and what it can do autonomously, how to choose between GPT-4o, Claude, and Gemini inside Copilot, how to use Copilot for pull request reviews and CLI work, how it compares to Cursor, Codium, and Amazon Q, every pricing plan, and the real workflows developers are running with it right now. Let us get into it. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant built by GitHub and Microsoft, launched in June 2022. It was the first widely adopted AI pair programmer and remains the most used AI coding tool in the world, with over 1 million paid subscribers and 50,000 organizations. The default model is GPT-4o, but Copilot supports multiple models. You can switch to Claude 3.7 Sonnet from Anthropic or Gemini 1.5 Pro from Google within the same interface. This model flexibility is unique among coding assistants. Copilot works natively in VS Code, all JetBrains IDEs, Neovim, Vim, Visual Studio, and several other editors. It reads your open files, project structure, and repository context to generate suggestions specific to your actual codebase. There are 4 main operating modes: inline completion, Copilot chat, multi-file edits, and agent mode. Copilot also extends to GitHub.com itself, generating pull request summaries, assisting with code review, and powering Copilot Workspace for task-to-PR workflows. Let me walk through every major Copilot feature. Code completion, the core feature that started it all. Copilot suggests the next line, function signature, or entire block as you type, using context from your open files and codebase. Copilot Chat, a conversational AI sidebar where you ask questions about your code in plain English. Explain this function, find the bug, write a test, refactor this module. Copilot Edits, describe a change across your project and Copilot edits multiple files simultaneously. Agent Mode, the most significant capability. You describe a task, and Copilot autonomously opens the files it needs, writes the code, runs terminal commands, reads the output, and iterates until the task is complete without you stepping in. Copilot CLI, translate natural language into shell commands and get plain English explanations of what a command does. PR integration on GitHub.com, auto-generates pull request descriptions and reviews code for issues before a human reviewer sees it. Copilot Workspace, a GitHub.com feature that takes an issue or task and builds it into a full pull request through an AI-native workflow. And multi-model support, switch between GPT-4o, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and o3 for different tasks within the same Copilot interface. Copilot Agent Mode is the most significant shift in AI-assisted development since Copilot first launched. In standard chat and completion modes, you are always in the loop, accepting or rejecting each suggestion. In agent mode, you describe the task and Copilot executes it. The agent reads and edits files across your project, runs terminal commands, reads the output, and adapts its approach based on what the results tell it. When it hits a compiler error or a failing test, it reads the error message and fixes it autonomously without waiting for you to intervene. Before starting, the agent shows you its plan so you can review and approve the approach. Before any destructive or risky operation, it pauses for your confirmation. The kinds of tasks Agent Mode handles well include adding a new feature that requires changes across multiple files, migrating an API from one version to another across a codebase, writing a full test suite for an existing module, and setting up a new service with all its configuration and boilerplate. Agent Mode is available natively in VS Code and through the Copilot interface on GitHub.com. Here is how to set up GitHub Copilot in VS Code from scratch. Step 1. Go to github.com/copilot and activate the free tier. 2,000 completions and 50 chat messages per month, no card required. Step 2. Open VS Code and go to the Extensions panel. Search for GitHub Copilot and install the official extension from GitHub. Step 3. Sign in to GitHub when VS Code prompts you. A browser window opens for authorization. Approve the connection and return to VS Code. Step 4. Confirm Copilot is active in the VS Code status bar. Look for the Copilot icon in the bottom right of the window. Green means it is active and connected. Step 5. Open any code file and start typing. Gray ghost text appears as Copilot suggestions. Press Tab to accept a suggestion. Press Escape to dismiss it. Step 6. Open Copilot Chat with Control-Shift-I on Windows or Command-Shift-I on Mac. Ask a question about your code, request a refactor, or ask it to explain a function. Step 7. Try Agent Mode. Open Chat, change the mode selector at the top to Agent, type a task description, and watch Copilot plan and execute it autonomously. Here is how to use Agent Mode effectively from start to finish. Step 1. Open Copilot Chat and switch the mode drop-down to Agent. The selector is at the top of the chat panel. Step 2. Describe your task with enough context for the agent to work independently. Include what you want to build, where in the codebase it belongs, and how it should behave when complete. Step 3. Review the plan the agent displays before it starts. It lists the files it will edit and the steps it intends to take. Step 4. Approve the plan or give feedback to adjust it before execution. This is the fastest place to catch misunderstandings, before a single line of code is written. Step 5. Watch the agent work. It opens files, writes code, runs terminal commands, reads the output, and adjusts its approach based on results. You can intervene or redirect at any step. Step 6. Review all changes in the diff view before accepting. Accept the full set, accept specific changes, or reject anything that looks wrong. Step 7. Run your test suite to validate the output. If tests fail, paste the error back into the chat panel and the agent reads and fixes the failures autonomously. One of the most underused features of GitHub Copilot is the ability to switch models. GPT-4o is the default and the best all-round choice for everyday coding tasks. It is fast, strong at code generation, and handles chat questions well. Use it for inline completion, quick chat questions, and standard code generation. Claude 3.7 Sonnet from Anthropic is the strongest model for instruction following and for working with large amounts of context. When you need to refactor a complex module, analyze a large codebase, or get code that is carefully explained with comments, Claude tends to produce more thorough and well-reasoned output. Gemini 1.5 Pro has the largest context window of any model available in Copilot, at 1 million tokens. Use it when you need to load the majority of a large codebase into context at once. The O3 reasoning model from OpenAI is slower than the others but works through problems step by step before giving an answer. Use it for hard algorithmic problems, complex mathematics, and tasks where you want to see the reasoning before the code. You can switch models mid-session in the chat panel model selector, using a different model for different tasks within the same project session. Copilot's pull request and code review features are available directly on github.com without any editor installation. When you open a pull request, Copilot reads the diff and generates a clear, structured PR description automatically. The description covers what changed, why it changed, and how to test it. For code review, Copilot flags potential bugs, security issues, and style inconsistencies with inline review comments before a human reviewer looks at the code. Copilot can also explain the changes in plain English, which is particularly valuable for reviewers joining a project who need context on what the PR is doing. Copilot Workspace takes this further. You start from a GitHub issue and the AI builds the entire implementation plan, writes the code, and creates the pull request through an AI-native workflow entirely on github.com. In practice, developers using Copilot for PR descriptions save 10 to 20 minutes per pull request on writing and review preparation. These features are available on Pro and above, with full review capabilities on business and enterprise plans. Copilot extends well beyond the editor into the terminal and github.com. Copilot CLI lets you describe what you want to do in plain English and get the correct shell command immediately. No more searching Stack Overflow for the right FFmpeg flags or the right git rebase syntax. You can also paste any shell command into Copilot CLI and get a plain English explanation of exactly what it does. And when a command fails, paste the error output in Copilot Diagnoses and corrects it. Install Copilot CLI with GH extension. Install GitHub/GH Copilot. On GitHub.com itself, Copilot is available across issues, discussions, and code views. Highlight any block of code in a repository and Copilot explains it in plain English without opening an editor. Copilot extensions bring third-party integrations into the chat sidebar, Docker, Azure, Jira, Datadog, and others. And GitHub Models is a free playground where you can test and compare all major AI models on the same prompt before deciding which to use. Who gets the most value from GitHub Copilot? Individual developers are the largest user group. The free tier alone delivers meaningful productivity gains on everyday completion and chat tasks. Full-stack engineers use Copilot edits and agent mode for multi-file changes that previously required careful manual coordination. Back-end engineers use Copilot for API integration, database query generation, and boilerplate that has to be right but does not need to be written by hand. DevOps and SRE teams use Copilot CLI daily for shell commands, Kubernetes configs, and Docker file generation. Engineering teams on business and enterprise plans use Copilot for PR descriptions and code review, saving reviewer time at scale. Open source maintainers use Copilot Workspace to turn contributor issues into pull requests faster. And developer advocates use Copilot to generate code examples and documentation at the pace their content schedule demands. Here is what developers are actually doing with GitHub Copilot right now. A developer uses Agent Mode to add a new REST endpoint including tests, error handling, and documentation in under 10 minutes. A team runs Copilot PR descriptions on every pull request and saves 15 minutes per merge across the whole team. An engineer writes Kubernetes deployment configs in Helm charts using Copilot CLI, describing the config in plain English and reviewing rather than writing the YAML from scratch. A developer switches to Claude 3.7 Sonnet via Copilot to systematically refactor a 3,000-line legacy module, with the model explaining every change as it goes. A backend developer generates complete database migration scripts by describing the target schema in chat. An open-source maintainer uses Copilot Workspace to turn pending GitHub issues into draft pull requests overnight, ready to review the next morning. A developer joins a new project and uses Copilot Chat to understand an unfamiliar codebase in a fraction of the time it would take reading it manually. And a team generates a full unit test suite for every new module using a single agent mode task per file. Here is the honest comparison against the main alternatives. Versus Cursor, Copilot has native GitHub integration for PR reviews, Copilot Workspace, and CLI support. Cursor has a more deeply AI-native editor experience with better whole codebase indexing and a stronger chat interface. Versus Codium, Copilot has multi-model support and the full GitHub integration layer. Codium is free with unlimited completions, which is a significant advantage for individuals. Versus Tab 9, Copilot has agent mode and the full PR workflow. Tab 9 has a local model option that never sends your code to an external server, which matters for some organizations with strict data policies. Versus Amazon Question, Copilot has multi-model flexibility and broader editor support. Amazon Q has deeper AWS ecosystem integration for teams building on AWS. Versus SuperMaven, Copilot has agent mode and the full chat depth. SuperMaven is known for the fastest raw inline completion speed. Versus V0 by Versal, Copilot covers the full IDE and terminal workflow. V0 focuses specifically on UI component generation. The honest summary: Copilot is the best choice for teams whose workflow centers on GitHub, who want multi-model flexibility, and who need AI across the full development lifecycle from code to PR. 8 tips that consistently produce better output from GitHub Copilot. 1. Open the files most relevant to your task before prompting. Copilot reads all open editor tabs as context. More relevant context produces more accurate suggestions. 2. Use agent mode for any task that touches multiple files. Copilot Chat is for questions. Agent mode is for tasks. 3. Switch models deliberately. Use Claude 3.7 for complex refactors and large codebase analysis. Use O3 for hard algorithmic problems. GPT-4o is the default, but it is not always the best fit for every task. 4. Be specific in Copilot chat. Include function names, file names, and expected output format in your prompt. Vague questions produce vague answers. 5. Always read the agent mode plan before approving execution. Redirecting the plan before it starts costs 5 seconds. Fixing code written in the wrong direction costs 10 minutes or more. 6. Install Copilot CLI and use it for all shell and terminal work. Shell command generation, config files, and script drafting all benefit significantly. 7. Provide the test file before asking for the feature implementation. Test-driven prompting consistently produces more correct and focused output. 8. Always review every diff from agent mode before accepting. Copilot is fast and capable, but reviewing the changes is still your responsibility. GitHub Copilot pricing. The free plan gives you 2,000 code completions per month and 50 Copilot chat messages. GPT-4o is included on the free tier. It is a genuinely useful starting point for individual developers who want to experience Copilot before committing. Pro is $10 per month and includes unlimited code completions, unlimited chat messages, access to all models including Claude, Gemini, and O3, and full agent mode. This is the plan for any individual developer using Copilot as a daily tool. The upgrade from free to Pro is the most impactful step, removing all the limits that make the free tier feel constrained. Business is $19 per user per month and adds organization-level management, usage policy controls, and audit logs. The right plan for engineering teams that need visibility and governance over how AI is being used across the organization. Enterprise is $39 per user per month and adds fine-tuned models trained on your own codebase, SAML/SSO, and advanced admin controls. For organizations with proprietary code patterns or strict compliance requirements. Here is everything you need. Start at github.com/features/copilot. Free account, 2,000 completions, 50 chat messages, no card. Upgrade to Pro at $10 per month when you need unlimited completions, all models, and agent mode. Available at github.com/features/copilot #pricing. If you are not already using VS Code, download it free at code.visualstudio.com. It has the most complete Copilot integration of any editor. Install Copilot CLI with GH extension. Install GitHub/GH Copilot. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand what Copilot can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now install the extension, open a file, and start typing. See you in the next one.